going on, world? Thank you for like, comment, and subscribing. As always, turn on notifications for all future videos. Here we are down at the yard, getting a little night building session in. We have a fire marshal check coming up, so we've all been going double and triple time trying to get everything cleaned up, cleared out, ready to go. Yeah, I see all the pallets stacked up. They're going double time on our dumpster. Yeah, there's two of our newest people, Matt and Kierra, two lovebirds over there. This pallet thing's a special thing. You know, you could do it with the team, you could do it with your significant other. There's no wrong way of, you know, approaching the business. I see it here. It's all emptied out. I'll take you guys inside, but you know, we're closing down the warehouse for the evening. You know, sometimes you got to put that extra, you know, elbow grease in to have results. As always, stay tuned for the check reveal later in the week. As always, anybody wants to learn the business, someone like myself, you know, we're running an organization of people, you know, multiple full-time employees that build all day, and you know, also have drivers. And anyone wants to learn business from that perspective, you want to learn how to broker, you want to learn how to go out there as a kind of a one or two man team. You know, we cover all aspects of the business. As you guys see and have seen for months now, we're qualified to teach you. So always shoot me a DM, shoot me an email, get trained, lock in. You know, let's make this year the best year yet. Stay tuned also for Matt's channel, Kierra's channel, and their social medias. I'm gonna link them in the description. Go give bro and sis a follow. You know, stay tuned for more great things coming out of Robbing Pallets as our community and organization grows. So love to add you guys in. You know, let's lock in, make this year the best year yet. Peace and love.